Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter or microfilter in the 2023 Toyota Highlander. Alright, first things first, let's go ahead and open up the glove box. And you're going to have two tabs, this one and this one. And you're going to have this little dampener, this little shock absorber. You can go ahead and pop that thing off. And you're going to have to kind of push this in. And push that in, and the glove box should just essentially drop. And the microfilter actually lives in this housing right here. So all you have to do is just kind of pop this little tab off. Just be careful. And here is your microfilter right here. You can kind of see how dirty it is. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty dirty. Alright, anyway, so you have to be very careful because it says filter up, right? So when you go back to install it, you make sure that up arrow is up. And also, when you pull out this filter, you'll see here, if I can get it out, there you go. The filter will have some kind of arrow to designate what goes up. So let me grab the other filter and I'll pop it in. So as you can see, this is my new filter, and here are the arrows. Now on this filter, the writing is upside down, but basically you just want to follow the arrow pattern with this arrow pattern here. Once the filter is in place with the tabs and the arrows are facing up, you just go ahead and repeat the steps in reverse. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put on our cover, and also the cover says up too, right? There you go. It should just snap right in place. You have some prongs or some tabs right in there, and you got these right here. Okay. So when we go back to install this, we want to make sure that this kind of hinge, or these hooks, attach to these tabs here, here, and here. Right, and it should click. It's not going to be super secure because you got to get these tabs. So I like to push it in a little bit and kind of hear it. Then you want to reattach the shock absorber, the dampener, whatever you want to call it. And that's it.
I bought this filter off Amazon. As you can see, it fits my vehicle. It also fits a bunch of other vehicles. So that's great. And for 12 bucks, you can't beat it. 3,000 people have bought this in the past month, so you know this thing works. Thanks guys, see you later.